2024 British Motogp sprint race results, Enea Bastianini the winner.
Here's the next news.
'24 British Motogp sprint race results, Enea Bastianini the winner. Silverstone, Enea Bastianini managed to become the fastest in the 2024 British Motogp sprint race. He smoked Jorge Martin and Alex Espargaro. The British Motogp sprint race was held at the Silverstone circuit, Saturday, the 3rd of August 2024, evening WIB. The crash occurred immediately at turn 1 when the race started when Marco Bezzecchi and Franco Morbidelli fell. There was a lot of overtaking at the start of the race. Jorge Martin managed to take the lead, followed by Enea Bastianini and Alex Espargaro. Francesco Bagnaia trails in 4th place. Marc Marquez is struggling in 7th place. Marquez passed Pedro Acosta for 5th entering the 2nd lap. The baby alien is now behind Bagnaia, while the front row is still filled by Martin. Jorge Martin still dominates the race on the 3rd lap. Enea Bastianini is closely following Martineta in 2nd place. Crash! Pecco Bagnaia crashed in Sector 1 entering the 5th lap. He could not continue the race. Crash! Marc Marquez also crashed at turn 16. Millimeter 93 fell while in 4th position and ended the race early. Enea Bastianini tried to overtake Martin on the next lap. The EB23 finally managed to do so and took the lead of the race. Bastianini managed to maintain his lead until the finish line. Jorge Martin was behind him and took P2, while P3 was filled by Alex Espargaro. 2024 British Motogp sprint race results. 1. Enea Bastianini. 2. Jorge Martin. 3. Alex Espargaro. 4. Brad Binder. 5. Pedro Acosta. 6. Alex Marquez. 7. Jack Miller. 8. Maverick Vinales. 9. Fabio Di Gianantonio. 10. Miguel Oliveira. 11. Fabio Quartararo. 12. Raul. 13. Fernandez. 8. Fernandez. 14. Johann Zarco. 15. Luca Marini. 16. Joan Mir. 17. Takoki Nakagami. 18. Remy Gardner. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to always support this channel to get the most complete information about MotoGP. Thank you.
Sono un po' appannati. Basta. Anche tanto mancava.